Hello, today we will guide you through how to use motion tracking CapCut PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the app launches, go ahead and open your sample project. This gives you a video to work with so you can apply motion tracking and see exactly how the feature behaves in a real editing timeline. After the project is open, look toward the top left area of the interface and click on Text. This section is where you can add titles, captions, and other text elements to your video. For motion tracking, we first need a text layer that CapCut can attach to a moving object. Next, add sample text to the project. At this stage, the exact wording is not important, since the goal is to learn how the tracking works. You can always come back later and change the text style, wording, size, or color after the motion tracking is set up. Once the text appears in your project, click directly on the sample text so it is selected. This is an important step because CapCut needs to know which element you want to track. If the text is not selected, the tracking options may not apply to the correct layer. With the text selected, move to the top right area and click on Track. This opens the motion tracking controls for the selected text layer. Motion tracking allows the text to follow a subject or object as it moves through the video, which is useful for labels, callouts, or creative effects. Now drag and resize the tracking area so it fits over the object you want to follow. Try to place the tracking box over a part of the object that stays visible and has a clear shape or contrast. This helps CapCut track movement more accurately. If the box is too large, it may pick up unwanted movement. If it is too small, it may lose the object as it moves. Take a moment here to adjust it carefully for the best result. When you are satisfied with the placement and the tracking setup is complete, click Save. This confirms the motion tracking settings and applies them to your text. At this point, your text should be linked to the movement of the object in your video. If needed, you can preview the timeline to check how smoothly the text follows along. That's all it takes to use motion tracking for text in CapCut on PC.